I was in the process of buying drugs. I got involved with this program through a drug arrest. I had a drug problem.
My lawyer suggested that we try CJC. I didn't know what CJC was. I didn't know anything about it, and I decided to give it a try and see, what resources they had available to help me in my process of change. And yeah, it turned out to be a good decision.
CJC is the Community Justice Court. We work with folks who live here in the Tenderloin and South of Market areas, and it's a program to help mostly people who are addicted to drugs or alcohol, try to get them back on their feet, try to get them on the right track.
We already had a number of collaborative court programs here, and so it was not hard for us to start the Community Justice Center.
Before I became a judge, I was a prosecutor here in San Francisco, so I've seen what addiction does, and just putting them in jail for 10 days, 20 days, doesn't really help. They just go back out and they commit new crimes.
Since the start of the CJC, we've seen about 10,000 cases in the 5 years of the CJC.
Jail isn't the answer for everything. Obviously more serious crimes, murder, sexual assault, okay, those are people that you have to put in custody. But people who are stealing, perfume, what is jail going to do for them?
So people who are at high risk of committing the same crimes, of having the same type of substance abuse and mental health problems, those are the ones that react best to this type of intervention. They react well to having the authority of the court and the judge to answer to, in addition to the treatment.
I think every community should have a program like this, because every community has homeless people. They have people who are addicted to drugs and alcohol.
I was facing 4 years in prison, and all I had was a drug habit. I didn't do anything violent, and the court gave me that opportunity to, if I clean up my act, I could get this case dismissed.
Research has found that people respond better to rewards than they do to sanctions. So whatever we can do to incentivize or encourage the clients to do well, we're willing to do.
CJC has taken a lot of time and effort on behalf of all the folks that have come together to make this program work, and we've come a long way. We're still working things out in the program, but seeing the successes that we've experienced with the clients who've gone through the program is really what makes it all work for us. It's been remarkable seeing the changes in individuals.
CJC was established in the Tenderloin area to address some very critical needs in the Tenderloin. The reason why is because it does have critical needs. We do have a homeless population. We do have people in the neighborhood who use drugs, who sell drugs, who break the law. But we also have families. We have people who live here. We have businesses. It's a community. It's not just an area of the city that is all about crime or homelessness. It's a community that is really trying to pull together, to work together, including the government agencies, to solve the problems so that everybody is happier and healthier.
I just got tired of, being a person that wasn't really productive or was not contributing to society. It does wear on you after a while when you know that you're capable of doing better.
It made me realize that I made a mistake, and that things in life, they're not just to take for granted. Every step you take, it's important.
We've developed an incredible program, and it's really unusual because we take much harder case types than other community courts around the country. And so we've really changed the way this model can be used by other jurisdictions. And it'll be interesting to see the successes in the years to come.
You should really believe in the program and support the program going forward, because we're helping so many people get better, and it's only going to help society as a whole.